Welcome ladies and gentlemen, to the world of the mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. A cocktail that will stop your heartbeat. Introducing Caipiroska. Let's start with cutting the garnish. Watch what I am cutting today. Okay, it is a lemon spiral. Always use fresh fruits for garnish. Watch how I am cutting. I know you can easily do it at home. Here you go. Now I will cut lemon chunks. Cut the lemon into half. Now cut half of the lemon into 3. Give a simple cut in the middle. Perfect. Lemon chunks are ready. Let's start making the cocktail. Take an old-fashioned glass for this cocktail. Add 6 to 8 pieces of lemon chunks. Two bar spoons full of brown sugar. You are watching Spice Trail. Okay. My peg measure. I will pour 45 milliliters or 1½ ounce of vodka. (15 milliliters or ½ ounce of triple sec). If you have Contro, you can use that. Now I will muddle for 8 to 10 times. Always muddle with alcohol, as wet muddling helps to extract more flavors. Perfect. Now I will fill half of the glass with crushed ice. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Now I will stir the cocktail with the bar spoon. For the detailed recipe, please check the description box. Now pack up the glass with crushed ice. Okay. Now I will garnish my Caipiroska with the lemon spiral. Fix a straw and your Caipiroska is ready. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon with a beautiful recipe. Till then, keep watching.